We came to grow, we came to learn, we came to slay the crochet way.
Crochet has been around for decades.
Right.
You know, the technique is not new, but the way in which it has been revolutionized is new.
I feel like Crochet BootCamp has definitely been impactful for a lot of stylists who's trying to evolve their techniques into what it's become now, you know, like the seamless hairline and tapered cuts. So it's definitely evolved a great ways. And I feel like it's been impactful not only just about techniques, but we've had a lot of soul conversations with these ladies.
To be able to say, okay, we want to be able to contribute beyond the latch hook, you know, contribute beyond the hair.